Come on, baby. Whew. Whoop, there was one. That was a good one. Can you do another one? Ooh, honey bun, good job. You like the light? Oh, there you go. Come on, do some more. Good job. Oh, my goodness. Do it again. Wow, honey. You're doing good in there. Learning some serious karate moves. Ooh. Oh, Daddy's going to love this. Oh, there you go. Whee! Oh, man. We had some ice cream and some hot tea, and I'm not sure which one. Oh, my goodness. He is crazy in there right now. Ooh. Well, I feel them on the inside now. I think they stopped on the outside. We got a few good ones. Wow, Ephraim, good job. You got any more in there? You got any more? Oh, my goodness gracious. Alrighty, let's show Daddy.